Percentage ionic character of covalent bond. Dipole moment measurements are used to determine the percentage ionic character of covalent bond. Okay, so the equation is used to find the percentage ionic character of a covalent bond is percentage ionic character equal mu observed by mu ionic into 100, where mu observed means mu observed is measured dipole moment. Okay, measured dipole moment, and mu ionic is the dipole moment of the molecule if it had been 100% ionic. Okay, is the dipole moment of molecule if it had been 100% ionic. Okay, so we can calculate mu ionic. Mu observed is the measured dipole moment, and mu ionic can be calculated by multiplying the bond length and the electronic charge. Okay, so mu ionic is the product of electronic charge E, electronic charge E, okay, and bond length of covalent bond. Okay, bond length of covalent bond. Okay, and electronic charge E will be equal to unit of charge is ESU, electrostatic unit. So electronic charge E is equal to 4.8 into 10 raised to minus 10 electrostatic unit, or ESU. Okay, this will be the value of E. So by using this we can find the percentage ionic character of a covalent bond. Okay, now let us do one problem based on this. The dipole moment of a diatomic molecule is 1.92 D and its bond length is 2 angstrom. Calculate the percentage ionic character of the molecule. So we know percentage ionic character equal mu observed by mu ionic into 100. Okay, mu observed is given 1.92 D. So mu ionic will be equal to E into E, the electronic charge, into bond length. Bond length is 2 angstrom. Okay, into bond length. So E, we know E is 4.8 into 10 raised to minus 10 ESU into bond length is 2 angstrom. So ESU, so we have to convert it in centimeter. Okay, so 2 angstrom is 2 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Okay, so after calculation we will get the value 9.6 into 10 raised to minus 18 ESU centimeter. Okay, and we know 1 D is equal to 10 raised to minus 18 ESU centimeter. Okay, so this will be equal to 9.6 D. Okay, so now we can substitute here, and percentage ionic character is equal to mu observed is 1.92 D by mu ionic is 9.6 D into 100. After calculation we will get the value 20%. So 20% ionic character. Okay, like this we can calculate the percentage ionic character of covalent bonds.